cold emptiness of space, meteoroids are constantly in motion. These wanderers hurtle through the void until they're caught in the gravitational pull of a giant. What is the origin of these extraterrestrial projectiles? Lowell Observatory cameras for all-sky meteor surveillance, or LOCAMS for short, is trying to help us answer that very question. This is a growing network of video cameras placed in Flagstaff, Prescott, and Meteor Crater, with more being installed in Happy Jack, Sedona, and other locations. The cameras watch the same patch of sky from different locations. This allows astronomers to measure the trajectories of these meteors using the principle of parallax. The collected data gathered by the LOCAMs is compiled, and using specialized software, the object's position is triangulated and traced back to the point of origin. These wandering rocks are at the whim of outside forces, such as kinetic energy and the gravitational forces of their neighbors. With modern technology, we are beginning to understand more and more of the origins of meteoroids, how they end up in our atmosphere, and how they literally reshape our home.